Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Please have a seat.
Thank you, ma'am. And this is my resume.
Okay, Aishwarya, how are you?
I'm good, ma'am. What about you?
I'm also doing good. Thank you for asking. Let's start with your introduction.
Okay, ma'am. My name is Ashwara Naik. I am from Rao Indore. Currently, I am pursuing MCA from Sage University.
Okay. In which year are you pursuing?
I started my masters in 2023 and I completed in 2025.
Okay. After that, what have you decided to do?
I want to become a software developer, so I will join a company for developing my skills.
Okay. The skills that you have mentioned over here, in which you have completed all these things?
I completed all these skills in technical fields.
Okay. In which year?
In recently last 1.5 year.
Okay. All these things that HTML, JavaScript.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Have you done any project?
Yes, ma'am. That is Sign Talk. It is a translator between the sign language into the English language. If someone is not able to speak or listening, so they will just give to gesture to the computer. So the computer will convert that gesture into the text. So a person who is in front of the deaf and muted people, so they can easily translate with them.
Okay, all right. Sounds good. Tell me about the achievement that you have done, as you have mentioned so many things over here.
Yes, ma'am. Recently, I got a Academic Excellence Award in my college by our Vice Chancellor, Sir, Mr. Sanjeev Agrawal, sir, and I got this award in between 10,000 students.
Great.
And I win a hackathon that was organized by the Chameli Devi. So our team got 4th position in that. And also I organized a Aram Tech event in our college.
Okay. So Hackwave that you have mentioned.
Yes, ma'am.
That you have done in Chameli Devi.
Yes, ma'am.
How many members were there in your team?
We have 5 members in our team, and our team leader Shashank Pathe, and we are the teammates.
Okay. And what about the Aram event that you have?
Me and my friend Shashank will organize Aram, and we have total 11 team members in Aram. It is also just like a hackathon.
Okay, it shows that you are a team player as well.
Yes,
so,
ma'am.
what are the strategies do you apply to work in a team?
Firstly, we made a list of what we have to do in our Aram, and then we will decide to distinguish teams according to requirement and give a task to each and everyone according to their specialization.
Okay, this is and what about the person who conflicts or the kind of not supporting you?
Yes.
So how do you deal with them?
We make him understand we should do the Aram best, and also we gave him to a certificate also.
Okay. As technology has been increased a lot, so how one should keep updated towards it? What do you think?
Sorry, pardon, please.
As you know that technology has been increased a lot and we have to keep ourselves updated.
Yes.
So how one should keep updated ourselves?
By updating them on Google and by searching. Also, we have so many news in newspaper. So if we are reading newspaper daily, so we will update it by the newspaper also.
Okay. If you have multiple tasks, so how will you prioritize the tasks?
According to their deadline.
Okay.
And which one is more required or which one is less.
Okay. As you have mentioned the Sign Talk project, so what were the challenges you have faced?
Actually, I was in the front end, like I am designing the things. So sometimes it's alignment problem I faced, and my teammates handle the back end. So
Okay.
in front end, I face some challenges, but I will manage by searching on Google and doing ChatGPT. So
Individually you handle that.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Don't you think that you could ask for to the team as well?
Actually, we divided our tasks. So I am in the front end team and they were in the back end team, and someone who is for the presentation team. So
As per to the expertise, you were only having
Yes,
this
ma'am.
responsibility. That's how
Yes,
you
ma'am.
manage yourself on
yes,
this. Okay. Where do you see yourself after 5 years?
I want to see myself as a senior software developer in a well-reputed company.
Okay. As you have already skilled enough, but what are the other skills that you want to learn in your career while you are doing work?
In technology, there are so many things to learn day by day. So I will learn according to the company requirement and the industry requirement, and what's going in the market. So I will learn that.
In this field, do you think that English language is important regarding the communication?
Yes, ma'am. In my field, English is so important because sometimes we have to handle the client which is in US or USA. So there is a only communication language between us, that is the English. So English is too much important.
Okay. Is there any situation that you had to learn quickly the new tool or the technique happened with you ever? So how did you learn that thing?
Yes, ma'am. As I was working on the ScienTalk project in hackathon, so at that time I don't know too much about the React language. So by doing surfing and on Google, I learned React Native at the time of hackathon also.
Okay. Last question, Aishwarya. What can you bring to our company?
I think I have too much skill in my career. Like I'll have too much technical skills like HTML, CSS,
But
Java.
you are fresher too.
Yes, ma'am. That I made a ScienTalk project, and recently I am working on 1 to 3 project also. So I think it may be helpful for your company.
Okay, all right. Thank you.